Good afternoon, men. Today we have a different situation and another situation where the frog is the solution, or the ideal solution. We're in a floodplain. FEMA dictates how high up in the air you have to be in a floodplain. In this particular case, we have the blocks have to be mortared together and the cores have to be filled with mortar. Well, we're going to use the frog to fill those cores with mortar. I can't get a cement truck around the site. Everything's too crowded and I got the river over there. I checked into a pump truck. A pump truck was $750. Well, can you imagine how many frogs I can buy if I save $750 every time I do a pour like this, and plus the manpower that I save? The frog can save you money with everyday pours. It can save you money with a specialized pour like this. When you have a frog in your equipment tool shed, there are many applications that you probably haven't even thought of yet that you're going to be able to use this. I really didn't give much thought to using a frog in a floodplain. And I would suspect, as FEMA and people want to build in the floodplain, you're going to start seeing more of this, and this is another application where the frog pays for itself. You save labor, you save time, and quite honestly, there's more jobs you can do. The frog will make it go quicker and more accurately and save you time, and time is money.